Mr. Francia, COGEN Europe appointed you as new managing director following a long experience in Brussels working for the electricity industry. What are the main policy priorities for COGEN Europe in 2016?
2016 is going to be a very important year for cogeneration. The European Commission presented at the end of last year its first ever heating and cooling strategy, so we have high expectations as it comes to the follow-up of the strategy. There are a number of measures that will be discussed in Brussels this year, ranging from the review of the ETS to the review of the Energy Efficiency Directive, market design. So there are a number of issues that will be debated in Brussels this year, and COGEN Europe is willing to contribute to the debates in a positive way, trying to increase the importance of the cogeneration sector across the European Union. Besides the policy aspects, there are also some other aspects on which we are working and we believe are very, very important. First of all is the ongoing work on the set plan. Basically, European institutions are currently hearing from member states and from stakeholders on what should be the priorities for research and development after 2020. And also we are following closely the works of the energy efficiency finance in an investment group, which is going to work with the banks in order to find ways and means to promote investments in energy efficiency in the building and the industrial sector. There are two sectors that are very relevant for CHP.
What is the impact of the national policy frameworks on CHP?
But indeed, the national policy frameworks are very important because at the European level, the framework is quite coherent. The problem lies in the implementation of EU rules at the national level. As the snapshot survey that was presented at our annual conference this year demonstrated, there are some countries in which CHP is doing fine, is even getting better than before, and other countries where CHP operators are really struggling. And this depends only on the national policy framework, so basically the legislation in member states. There are a number of reasons for this to happen. Regulatory environment, some very long time to get the approval for CHP investments. So what we need to do together with European institutions is to make sure that there is a stable regulatory framework across the European Union.